Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn topic 4 LCM and HCF or HCD or GCD or GCF PPT 8. So you practice this once again and send your answers in my comment box one by one. While sending your answers, you should write question number and option number enough, children. You follow this. Question number 1. Which one of the following numbers exactly divides 16,038? Your given number 16,038. So 16,038. So this is a even number. All even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. So it is exactly divisible by 2. And sum of all the digits 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 means 1 plus 8, 9. So digital root 9. 9 is digital root. 9 is digital root. When we add the sum of all the digits of a number till we get a single digit, that single digit is called digital root. If the digital root of number is 3 or 6 or 9, then the number is exactly divisible by 3. So it is exactly divisible by 3. So 2, 3 also. Next we can check with 9 also. This is correct. This is also correct. We can check with 9 also. Here we have digital root 9. If the digital root of a number is 9, then the number is digital root is 9, then the number is exactly divisible by 9. So this number 16,038 is exactly divisible by 3, 2, 3 and 9. So option 4, 2, 3, 9. So without observing all option, we can't decide first option. So it is divisible by 2. 2 only, not others. So that's why we have to try next also 2, 3 only. So these also divisible, but not only 2, 3. We check with 9 also. So 2, 3, 9. So all. So that's why we have to choose the fourth option. Question number 2. The GCD of two numbers is 2. Their product is 56. Then the LCM of theirs is LCM of numbers. LCM is equal to LCM of numbers is equal to, there is a formula if given product of two numbers, product of numbers are two numbers, product of two numbers by GCD. So this is the formula. Basing this formula we can identify, we can find the answer. Product of two numbers, we have 56 by GCD is 2. 2 2 2s 2 8s. So 2 ones are 2. So 28 is the answer. 28. Option 4. Question number 3. There are 64 centimeters, 80 centimeters, 96 centimeter scales. We want to measure with each scale leaving nothing, that is in whole numbers. Then what is the length of the lowest cloth? To find the lowest cloth, we have to apply LCM. We have to find LCM. Here we have to find LCM of 64, 80, 96. So find LCM, or 2 table, 4 table, 8 table also. So I will take 8 table, 16 table also. We can, these are divisible by 2, 4, 8, 16, 16. We can take any of these numbers to divide this. So I will take a 16 table. 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96. Now 2 table, 2 2s, 5, bring down 5, 2 3s. So these are co-primes, that's why now we can find LCM. 16 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So this 10, 3 2s are 6, 16 6s are 96, 96, 2 3s are 6, 16 6s are 96. We have to write the 0 beside this 96. So this is the method of finding multiplication easily. So 960 is the answer. Option 4. Fourth question. If 2-345 is exactly divisible by 9, which number should be there in the dash blank? Here we have 2 3 2 dash 3 dash, we can keep here box. Once again, 2 children, we can keep here box. 2 3 4 5, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 9, 9 plus 4 14, which we added in this box. We can get 18 4. So 18 or we can take like this also, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus box. So to get digital root 9, which we keep here 4. So that also correct, this also correct. So here we have to put 4. So option 3. Question number 5. Which maximum number divides 171 and 251 by giving 3 and 6 as remainders respectively? When dividing these numbers, we have to get 3 6. To get 3, which number satisfying this 171 dividing? So 171, if we divide with 3, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9, we get to 0. When divided by, we can check this. So 8, 9. So 9 is exactly divisible by 3. So that's why no remainder here. So this 3 is not. So next option 5. When divided by 5, there is 5, 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. One remainder. So by observing we can identify one remainder. So no remainder 3. So we get one remainder. So that's why next try with 7. 7 2s are 14, 3, 7 4s are 28, 3. So 3 is the remainder. So this is the option 3 is the correct. So when divided by 251, we get 6, no doubt. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, 41, 35, 6 as remainder. So that's why option 3 is the correct. This is trial and error method, children. Sixth one, the product of two numbers is 216. The HCF of the two numbers is 6. Then find the LCM of theirs. So we already done like this problem. LCM of two numbers is equal to LCM of numbers is equal to product of two numbers by HCF or HCF. So this is the formula. So here product of two numbers is 216, HCF is 6, so 6, 6 3s are 18, 3, 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are. So 36 is the answer, option 1. Seventh question. What is the LCM of 20, 30 and 40? So we have to find LCM of 20, 30, 40. If there are zeros in all the numbers, we can take 10 as divisor. 10 2s, 10 3s, 10 4s. Again 2 table, 2 1s, bring down 3, 2 2s. So LCM of these numbers is equal to 10 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 is equal to, first we have to multiply this. 2 3 is 6, 6 2s are 12. Then keep this 0 on beside. So 120 is the LCM, option 3. Eighth one, if we want to make the pupils of a school stand in each line with 5 or 9 or 10, the total number is enough. What is the lowest number of the pupils of that school? To find total number of pupils in that school, we have to do LCM. We have to find the LCM of this 5, 9, 10. 5 ones, bring down 9, 5 twos. So LCM of these numbers is 5 twos, 5 into 9 into 2. First we have to find this. So 9 tens are 90. 9 after we have to keep 0. So 90. Option 1. So in that school there are minimum lowest number of that the pupils of that school is 90 students. Ninth one, the HCF of the two numbers is 15. Then what number should be its LCM? HCF of two numbers 15. Then what number should be its LCM? Children, we know HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor. HCF is a factor of LCM. So LCM is a multiple of HCF. So we have to find LCM. LCM is a multiple. So 15 multiple in this. What is the 15 multiple? So 45. So 45 is 15 multiple. So that's why option 2 is correct. 10th one. What is the LCM of 2 into 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 into 9? LCM of 2 into 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 into 7. To find LCM, we have to take common ones one time, remaining also right. So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into, write these ones only, 7. This is the answer. So option 3. 11th question. In the number 7254 blank square 38, which digit should be put in place of box so that the number becomes divisible by 9? So like this question came already. So we have to find sum of these digits. 7254 square box square 38. Sum of this: 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 21 plus 8 37. So 37 plus box 10 plus box 1 plus 0 1 plus box, which is added to which is added in place of box, we get which is added 1 to in place of box, we get to 9. We understood. So here 8 is the satisfying. Seven two five four 38. 7 plus 2 9, 14 18 21 29 plus box. Children, here is a mistake. Once again we are doing 7 plus 2 9, 14 18 21 29 children, plus box 11 plus box 11 2 plus box. So here which is added, which is substituting in place of box, we get 9. So 7 2 plus 7, 9. So that's why 7 is answer, option 4. 12th one, what is the SF of 5 into 7 into 9 into 11 into 13 and 9 into 11 into 13 into 17? So this is very easy question. HCF, here we have to find HCF of HCF 5 into 7 into 9 into 11 into 13. So 9 into 11 into 13 into 17. To find HCF, if given like this factorization, we have to take only common ones. The product of common factors are the HCF. So HCF is equal to 9 into 11 into 13. Option 3. Question number 13. Which of the following number is divisible by 3? We know the digital divisible root for 3. The digital root of a number is 3 or 6 or 9. Then the number is exactly divisible by 3. So that's why we have to find digital root for these numbers. 522, 5222. 5 plus 2, 7, 9, 11, 2. So this is not divisible by, this number is not divisible by 3. So next 2, 6, 3, 5, 6, 6356, 9, 14, 20. 20 means 2. So that's why this also not divisible by, we haven't got 3 or 6 or 9. So that's why this is also not divisible by 3. Next to 7, 1, 1, 3, 8, 9, 12, 3. So this is exactly divisible by 3. We may check this once again, this last one also, just for 8 plus 3, 11, 19. So 10, 1. So not having this list. So only this third option is correct. If we got answer, no need of checking this fourth option, children. Just I shown. 14th, the HCF of 6, 12 and 15 is HCF. You know how to find HCF of numbers. So what is the procedure? HCF of numbers, easiest way, easiest method. This is the easiest method. Taking a common number, common divisor, and you divide all this. 3 is the common for all this. 2 is not. 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. No number common for these 2, 4, 5. So that's why HCF of this these numbers is 3. So this is the HCF, option 1. The LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is, so LCM, you already perfect in LCM. So how to find LCM, you know. So 5 table, 5 ones, 5 2s, 5 3s. So LCM of these numbers is 5 into 2 into 3. this 10, 30. So option 3. The product of two numbers is 96. Its HCF is 4. Then its LCM is equal to product of numbers by LCM. 4 to the 8, 4 4 the 16, 4 ones. So 24 is the answer. Option 4. 17. Number 1,43,865 is divisible by 1,43,865. First we have to check with the 3. 1 plus 4, 5, 8, 16, 21. So 3. It is divisible by 3. Next, but not divisible by 4. By observing we can identify this is not divisible by 4. That's why first option is not. Second, not divisible by 2. This is not divisible by 4, not divisible by 2. So option 3 also not divisible by 2. That's why this is exactly divisible by option 4. 1 plus 4, 5, 8, 8, 16, 21, 3, 5. One, 4, 3, 8, 6. Children, we missed some digits. We can check once again, children. 1 lakh 1,43,865. 1,43,865. 5, 8, 16, 22, 27. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 7, 9. So that's why it is exactly divisible by 3 and also divisible by 9. But it is not divisible by 4, it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 2. That's why option 4 is the correct. It is divisible by 3, 5, 9. If the last digit is 5, there is a 5 in one's place, it is exactly divisible by 5. So that's why option 4 is correct. What is the LCM of 15, 20 and 30? LCM, we have forfeit in LCM. So 15, 20, 30. 5 table, 5 3s, 5 4s, 5 6. 3 table, 3 1s. Bring down 4, 3 2s. 2 table, 2 2s, 2 1s. LCM is equal to this 10, 3 beside 3 we have to keep 0. So 30 is the LCM. But here we are no need of finding this final. So just we have to find product of numbers 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. This is the order. 2 into 3 into 5, or 5 into 3 into 2, or 5 into 3 into 2. So option 4 is correct. (19) The LCM and HCF of two numbers are gradually 48 and 4. If one number is 12 out of these, what is the other number? Other number is equal to, there is a formula to find other number. Other number is equal to LCM into HCF by given number, one of the number. So this is the formula. LCM 48, HCF 4, other number 12. 12 ones are 12 fours are 4 fours are 16. So option 1 is correct. Question number 20. LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is LCM 8, 12, 15 divisible by 2, 2 fours, 2 6, 15, bring down 15, 2 twos, 2 threes, bring down 15. Next, 3 table, bring down 2, 3 ones, 3 fives. So LCM of these numbers is these 10, 2 to the 4, 4 threes are 12, 120. Option 2. Children, completed PPT 8. So you practice this once again and send your answers in my comment box one by one. While sending your answers, you should write question number and option number enough, children. You follow this. We will meet next PPT 9, children.